Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, I will guide you through the simple process of changing the download location in Yandex Browser. This quick tutorial will help you organize your files better by setting a custom folder for all your downloads. Let's get started. First, open your Yandex browser. Then click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to open the menu. Next, select Settings from the menu options. After that, look at the left sidebar and tap on Tools. Now scroll down until you find the Downloads section. Then, under Downloads location, click on Edit. Following this, choose the new folder where you want your downloads to be saved. Finally, click on Select Folder to confirm your choice. That's it. You've successfully changed your downloads location in Yandex Browser. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.